Sent these to my brother who had been diagnosed with severe kidney problems and was facing possible dialysis treatments. The VA doctor didn't prescribe any medication or other remedies and the condition worsened. I sent him a bottle of the Kidney Cleanse supplement, and during his next visit to the VA clinic his kidney function readings were markedly improved. The doctor was impressed and asked that he let him know what supplement he was taking so that he could pass information on to other patients. Worth a try. This stuff really works. I have had kidney problems for many years from taking steroids. My doctor finally sent me to a kidney doctor, and the doctor said my kidneys were only functioning at 28%. He too said it was from taking the steroids. I started taking the Kidney Cleanse before I saw the doctor, and he said to take another blood test in 30 days. I was also having prostate problems. The doctor gave me pills for my prostate. I went back a month later to retake the blood test, and I went to the doctor yesterday and he said everything is functioning normally. My kidneys have rebounded and are normal, and everything he tested for in the blood test is all normal. He checked my thyroid, blood sugar, and in fact I told him the first time I saw him I just had started taking a cycle of steroids, and I am convinced it was from these pills. I will never stop taking them. My mom died 6 months ago and she always had bad kidneys, and I am so sad that she is still not around to have her take these pills. It could have saved her life. So for $19 you can't get anything else to save your life. I will never be without these pills again. This cleanse seems to have really helped some kidney and bladder pain that I have been dealing with for a couple of years. I feel like I am able to urinate more completely, and the burning sensation that I sometimes had is gone. I've been using this daily for about 3 weeks and feel so much better. This is the real deal. I started taking this product for a few reasons, all related to having the kidneys functioning optimally. I was hoping that by detoxing my kidneys it would help to clear up my acne breakouts. I also wanted something that could help lymph be filtered through the kidneys. I feel like this product has lived up to my expectations, and have noticed very significant improvements. I typically get very persistent, recurring acne. Ever since I've been taking this product my skin has been looking healthier, and I have had very little, if any, pimples appearing on my face. Even after a couple days where I went without showering, yes. A little gross, I know, and hence, not having washed my face, I still had no acne breakouts. It's very incredible. Having been observing my urine output and have noticed that there seems to be more lymph filtering out into my urine. This may be hard to understand if you have not done research on kidneys and the lymph system. I highly suggest looking this up. I will definitely be ordering this product again and look forward to seeing its continuous benefits. Glad I chose this one. Click link in description for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all product reviews. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.